How to add multiple portfolios in CoinGecko. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can add multiple portfolios in CoinGecko. You must note that as of now, you cannot add multiple portfolios in your mobile app. The only way you can add multiple portfolio is by making use of the CoinGecko website. So visit the CoinGecko website, and on the website page, move to the top part of the screen where you would see the CoinGecko logo. Next to it, cryptocurrencies, exchanges, NFT, loan products, API. The next step would be to move to the right side of the screen where you can see Candy Portfolio. So click Portfolio so as to be taken to your portfolios page. Now on your portfolios page, you would see all of the items added to your portfolio already. Then under the first tab, or the first part of the screen, where you can see currencies, exchanges, etc. Below that, you can see overview, my portfolio, and then new portfolio. You can see that I have two portfolios created here already. Then in order to create another portfolio, just click the plus icon and then type out the name of the portfolio that you would like to create this time around. All right, and then you can select another icon for this particular portfolio, then click create, and then another portfolio has been created. So on the website, you can create as many portfolio as possible depending on your purpose for creating such portfolios. So this is how to add multiple portfolios to CoinGecko. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.